Have you ever opened a can, eaten it without thinking twice, and assumed it was completely safe? What if I told you that some canned foods may not be as harmless as they look? In fact, certain types of canned products, if poorly processed, stored incorrectly, or chosen carelessly, can expose you to harmful bacteria, excess chemicals, or degraded nutrients. And the scariest part? You've probably eaten at least one of these before. Stay until the end, because the last item is something almost everyone buys. 1. Canned fruits in heavy syrup. These might look healthy, but many are packed in high sugar syrup, sometimes doubling or tripling the natural sugar content. Over time, excessive sugar intake is linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Better choice: go for fruits canned in water or natural juice. 2. Acidic canned foods like tomatoes. This is something most people never think about. Foods like tomatoes, pineapple, or anything acidic can react more with the inner lining of the can. If the can quality is poor or stored for too long, small amounts of the lining material, like BPA or other compounds, may leach into the food. 3. Canned soup, especially instant or cream-based. Many canned soups are loaded with sodium, sometimes more than your daily recommended intake in one serving. Too much sodium can increase blood pressure and strain your heart. 4. Canned gravies and sauces. These are often loaded with sodium, additives, and flavor enhancers. They may taste rich, but your body pays the price. 5. Canned cheese sauces. Highly processed, often containing artificial flavors, emulsifiers, and high sodium. Not something you want to eat frequently. 6. Dented or damaged cans. A small dent might not seem like a big deal, but if it affects the seal, it can allow dangerous bacteria like Clostridium botulinum to grow. If a can is bulging, leaking, or deeply dented, don't risk it. Throw it away. Not all canned food is bad. In fact, many canned products are safe, convenient, and nutritious when chosen wisely. But the key is this: know what you're buying, check the label, inspect the can, and never ignore warning signs. Because sometimes what looks harmless on the outside might not be so harmless after all.